Again, welcome to Java programming language. In these lectures, we are going to write a Java program code that will randomly generate two values between 0 to 9, 2 digits. Then the user will be prompted to answer addition of the two values. So this program will again generate two single digits. Then the user will give an answer of the addition of the two single digits. So let's see the code. So again, since we are going to ask the user to enter the answer, we need a scanner class. So here we import our scanner class. Then our main class name is repeat addition quiz. So we are going to generate two random values between 0 to 9. We know that the math.random normally generates a decimal value from 0.0 to 0.99, etc. So in order to generate a single digit from 0 to 9, we multiply the value that the random method generated by 10. So the number can be between 0.00 to 0.999. So if I multiply by 10, I will get again 0.0 to 9.9, etc. But again, we use the int, we cast it to an int. So when we generate a decimal value, we later change it to a whole number, then we assign it to a variable number 1. The same thing applies to the second value. Again, we use the math.random times 10. So we are going to generate a decimal value from 0.0 to 0.99, etc. Now we multiply by 10, then it will be 0.0 to 9.9, etc. Again, we use the int method to convert the value to a whole number. So the two values will be between 0 to 9. Then next, we create our scanner object named input. Then we ask the user, system.out.println, what is the first number generated plus the second number generated. Then the user is going to enter the answer. Now, if the answer is correct, then this while loop will not execute. Because if number 1 plus number 2, which will be the actual answer, is not equal to the answer, and if that is true, then we are going to ask the user again to enter the correct answer. So the while loop here will make it possible that the user must enter the correct answer before the program will stop, or it will stop executing the while loop. So our condition is if number 1 plus number 2 is equal to the answer, then this condition will be false. So the while loop will stop. Then we print out our last statement, you got it right, or you got it. The answer is correct. So we print you got it. So based on this while loop here, we have a chance, or the user have a chance to keep answering the question until you get it right. So let's run the code here. So we have the code here again. So we have our random generated two values between 0 to 9. Again, the random method generated decimal value. So we convert it to an int. The decimal value generated again is between 0.0 to 0.99, etc. Then we multiply by 10, we get 0.0 to 9.9. Then we convert it again to int. So we generate the two values. We ask the user to enter the correct answer. If the user entered the correct answer, then we are going to print out an output, you got it. The user entered a wrong answer, then we are going to ask the user that the answer is wrong, try again. What is number 1 plus number 2? So let's run it. Again, I'm using the JGraphs, so I click on build, and I'm going straight to run as application. I'll continue running. So here, the two numbers that were generated is 5 and 7. So number 1 is 5, number 2 is 7. And it's asking me what is the answer, the addition of the two. So I'm intentionally going to write 9. And when I write 9, still tell me to enter the correct answer. So this is wrong answer, try again. So I'm going to enter 0. And the same, so this means I'll keep, as far as the answer is wrong, the while loop will keep executing. Now let's enter the correct answer, which will be 12. And that's it. So we got it right and the program stopped. So again, that's the conclusion of this lectures. In these lectures, again, our main goal is writing a Java program that will randomly generate two values from 0 to 9. Then it will prompt the user to enter the addition of those two values. So again, wish everybody the best and thank you for your time.